Hello everyone, let us learn how to make Instagram carousel. Open your Instagram app and swipe left to post photos or the carousel on the Instagram. Now long press on a single photo from your gallery to select multiple photos. Now select the multiple photos in order you want to post. Now that you have selected 4 photos to post, click on the arrow on the top of your screen. Here you can add filters to the photos, or you can also rearrange the photos if you have clicked them in the wrong order. Now you have rearranged, click on the arrow on the top of your screen to forward. Here you can give a beautiful title to your carousel or your post. For example, let us take how to make Instagram carousel. Now that we have given a title to our carousel, click on the tick on the top of your screen. And finishing up, you have posted a carousel successfully. That is it for today, guys. Let us catch up in the new tutorial. Thank you.